Hi friends, today we will show you unboxing of George Foreman's grill. So this is a medium size fit grill and it is got a lot of good features. It heats 160% faster than the normal conventional oven. So we will now show you how good this product is, and let's just do the unboxing. But before we do that, this is very versatile grill. As you can see, this is how it will look. We will show you in a moment. And this is suitable for cooking meat, fish, vegetables, sandwiches, paninis. So it's very multi-purpose grill, and it comes with a 3 years warranty, which is a very good thing, and we will show you its features once we open it. Let's open it. This is the grill. Wow, this looks quite sizable. This also has a booklet which shows you how to install this and the precautions you need to take, and it also has some recipes that you can try, which is good. Okay, wow, this looks pretty decent size for a medium sized grill. Look at the matte finish. Wow. This has also got this tray to avoid if you are putting some oil on your grilled sandwiches or vegetables from dripping, and it will collect here. And it's very easy to clean. You can just use like a damp moist cloth after you're done with your cooking to clean it. Wow, look at how sleek this looks. And this is very good size for putting two like large sandwiches or two grilled wraps or paninis. So I think for a family of 2 to 3 people, this is quite good. And yeah, we'll just put the tray like this. Let's just see how this fixes. I think it attaches to the bottom. Let's just see how. A dripping tray which you just plug in like this. This is now fixed, as you can see. And if you are cooking something and if oil drips, you are coating something in oil, it will collect here and you can just easily clean it off. So this is a very good feature of this product. Another feature of this product is, if this looks like a lot of space in your kitchen, you can just turn it around like this, and this is literally balancing on itself. You can just keep it on the side of any wall. So look how compact this is. You can just put it against a wall. So that's how good space saving feature this has. And now we will show you how to actually use it to, let's say, grill a sandwich. So friends, we have now plugged this grill here. Let's just turn the power on. Red means the power is on and it is in grill mode. Let me turn it off. So I have just as a demo prepared 2 sandwiches, stuffed sandwiches that I'm trying to grill as a first time. I've put a layer of butter because this is a griller. You can put olive oil or butter on top. And these are the 2 stuffed sandwiches. And yeah, let's see how do they grill. Let's just close it. I'm gonna just press it a bit so they grill well. Turn it on for roughly, it says, the manual says 3 to 4 minutes. Let's check in 4 minutes if the sandwiches are ready. So after the heat turned on, the green light is also on, and it's now almost 5 minutes. Let me check how the sandwiches are looking. Wow, they look really crispy and golden. So I have now turned off the grill because these look really ready to eat. So friends, this was the George Foreman grill unboxing video. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any questions around installation or using this or unboxing this, please put in the comment section and we will reply. Thank you.